Virtual training has become an essential part of the instruction repertoire for maintenance training. Benefits include helping students get familiar with aircraft before getting on board, training students on a wider variety of scenarios, and letting them experience potentially threatening situations and make mistakes without being in any danger. Training can also proceed more quickly. For example, our MAGPIE training tool halved the time required for F-15E safe for maintenance sessions. Classroom support tools are provided to manage virtual training, tools like MAGPIE's instructor toolset. These tools track students and guide you to step in for students who need your help. Students who just need a small pointer can be assisted automatically. Testing and tracking can be customized to link student knowledge to a specific question or activity. The collected data is presented intuitively to help you understand student performance and to support your after-action review. Tools also aggregate information across exercises so you can understand class trends and modify lessons for your entire class. Charles River Analytics virtual training products provide complete support for intelligent maintenance training for any maintenance or operational check activity. Contact us if you want to learn more about our training software.